Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, we're going to take a look at how right-click tools enables you to more easily pull lapsed passwords from your devices. Go ahead and take a look at what it would look like if we didn't have right-click tools. So if we don't have right-click tools, we have to jump out of our ConfigMgr console, pull up our lapse UI, dump the name of our device in here, and we get our password here. But if we have right-click tools, we can just stay right within our ConfigMgr console, identify our device, right-click it, go to right-click tools, security tools, 80 lapse password. Boom, we have our lapse password. We can also expire it from here as well. We can change when we want to expire the password. That's just a quick look at how right-click tools enables you to pull lapsed passwords more easily from your devices.